Speaker. My constituents in the villages of Kidlington, Yarnton and Begbroke find themselves in a perverse situation. Cherwell District Council are proposing to build 4,400 homes in the Greenbelt between the villages to meet Oxford City's unmet housing need, but due to the sequencing of the plans, that unmet need is now down to go under the new proposed assessment. In short, the districts are putting the cart before the horse. Would the Minister agree to meet with me so I can explain the situation more fully and to reassure my constituents that their grave concerns about this plan will be heard?
Mr. Speaker, of course I will meet with the Honourable Lady, but I should just point out that when it comes to Greenbelt, we are committed to retaining the current protections. However, there will be exceptional circumstances in which a local authority may choose to amend its Greenbelt, but it will have to take its local community with it.